Hello everyone, in this video I would like to show you all how to transfer all info from old iPhone to new iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, launch settings, and here in very top you will see your account Apple ID. Just tap on it. Here select iCloud. From a cloud menu, select any information which you want to transfer to your new iPhone. Here as you can see I disable photos, keychain and other different stuff. You just tap on it and turn on, just swipe the side to the right side, go back, enable another different option. Here as you can see iCloud Mail, iCloud Drive, contacts, reminders, notes, messages and another different stuff. As you can see here you can enable it or disable, just swipe the side to the right or left side. So when you're done, just tap on iCloud Backup, and here you should enable this option iCloud Backup. Swipe the side to the right side to enable it and then tap on Backup Now. When backup is done, you just log into your new iPhone on this your Apple ID. Just log into your account and you will transfer it all your information from your this old iPhone. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.